Hi everyone, Pam, and I have something fun to show you now. I don't know if you guys know. I mean, I did, I think a couple weeks ago that Midjourney you can make videos now. And I know that there's I think with the if you have the $10 one you can do, some, not too much. And with the $30 you you don't have unlimited, but there you can play around with this and not run out. Okay, so I have the $30, so I'm going to do a couple of them here. So one thing I found out is I can't do it, and that it might just be me, I don't know, but I can't do it with any other version except for version 7. Okay, just so you know, because I kept trying. Now you have to start out with an image. Okay, it's not going to automatically do a video for you. So you get an image and then you go see how you go down here and it says animate. You're going to go ahead and go animate. And then it will go up here and it's actually going to give you 4 different videos, which is kind of cool because um, maybe 3 of them are awesome. You can use them in different times or different places or anything like that. It does take a little bit time, of course, but not too much. But while that is going through that, let's go over and explore. So here are the videos. You can look images or videos, okay? And look at all these cool videos. Now, people know how to prompt this. I have to learn how to prompt videos. I'm just doing the very basic right here. But look at this stuff. This is freaking amazing what people have created. Okay, that was kind of creepy. All right, all kinds of things. Now let's go back to see if my creation is done. It's almost done. You can see that it is, so it's from this one, but you can see a couple things here. All right, so let's go ahead and go through them. Let's go through this one first. And you can prompt it to have this girl do other things. I just haven't got that far yet, but I will. Okay. And then we have her going this way. Okay. Next one. Okay, I'm just going through here to see which one I like. All right. Okay, I figure out I'll probably do, I'm just going to download this. Yeah, I'm just going to download this one. But I'm going to show you, let's go back to my creations over here. And earlier I created just a fun little thing and I picked this one and it did all these different videos for me. Isn't that fun? Okay, and then now music and everything, we can load it onto TikTok and add music, stuff like that. But what if you wanted to add some music with Canva? All right, so I'm going to show you that real quick just because of Midjourney and Canva, and I can combine and have fun. So, what we want to do is um, we're going to create, as soon as it comes up, okay, so go to Canva, you're going to go create, and since I have it in the 9 by 6, I'm going to have to do that, but you can do it in any of the sizes that you want. Oh, hold on. I did that wrong. I was talking and not paying attention. Who does that? Okay, so create, and then I want to put up here video, and then I'm just going to do the mobile one just because that's the size of the image. But you could do the videos in all the sizes. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go upload, and we're going to upload that video of mine. There we go. It's just taking a little bit of time. All right. Okay, so there it is. Um, okay. And we can set videos background. Her arms are cut off, so I'm going to take that off and just go like this a little bit. Just, we don't have to have it perfect. I'll put some kind of background. And we want to expand it and all that, I'm pretty sure we can do that right here in Canva, but that is for another video. Okay, so here we go. All right, you can, oh, hold on. If you want to change the amount of time on your video, you could just take this and go like this. Okay. All right. Now, if we want to add audio, we can come down here and pick audio like that. It'll come over here. You can generate an AI voice if you want. You can do instrument. I'm just going to pick, let's do this one. Okay, and see how it puts it here, but you just want it to be just the length of your video. So let's see what it does. See things you don't understand. All right, so, or you can go make your video a little longer, and then the music goes a little longer. So let's go ahead and start over. See things you don't understand. Wonder why. See things you don't understand. Okay, so let's see if we can pull it a little bit more. We can't. So we can do this a little bit. Cut that off. Just maneuver the music a little bit. Maybe get a different one that doesn't cut right off like that, but you get the point. Then you come over here. Oh, we can, let's see if we can sync it better. Okay, let's see if it does that better. Okay, so I did that and it synced it a little bit better. Okay, because see how it did, it put it in the middle like that. So highly recommend that. You can adjust it, you can fade it. And then what you do is you download it. And it does say here videos using audio from Canva's music. can only be used for personal or non-commercial purposes. Like I can use it on my social media. Can I give it to someone? No. It, like as a PLR or something like that. No. All right, so I'm going to download that. Okay, so make sure you title the thing because obviously it didn't title. So music, video, test. Okay. All right, I'm gonna click on this. Hmm. So there's that. And I feel like if you can, make a couple of them and combine them together, it would work even better. Okay, so at the end of the last little video here, um, I said you can add more videos. So I'm like, well, why don't I just download the ones I got? So I put two more in there. I could have done the other one, but I didn't. And it created a really cool video here. And sometimes you can hear the song, and sometimes you can't. It's generating the caption, so maybe that's what it's doing. There we go. So what I did up there is clicked on here, I faded it, and I did a beat sync so that it matched a little bit and plus faded at the very end. I kind of like that. All right, so there you go. Create your videos in Midjourney, add some music here, or add the music wherever you have it, like TikTok or Instagram or whatever. Um, but yeah, you can add music here. You do not have to use, you know, uh, what am I trying to say? You don't have to use Canva music. If you can upload your own, you can. You just audio. You can record yourself and, do that for the video. You can upload files, audio files. So, you don't have to use the Canva audio, but you can if you're just using it for like social media and stuff, okay? All right. If this is something you guys liked, make sure you follow me. Um, Down below will be my Facebook group, plus my template treehouse, and this is awesome. This this is something that's going to help all of us. So there you go. I hope you enjoy.